Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to make a teleporter in Roblox Studio. So right away we'll select a template, and then on the right side where we have the Explorer, we're going to click on Workspace. You can see some options underneath Workspace, and we're going to click on the plus icon just beside it. We're going to select a folder, so we can select the folder here or you can search for it, and we'll name this folder Teleporter. Then in the Teleporter folder, we're going to add two parts. Click on the plus icon, search for part, and there we have one part, and we'll be adding another. So for the two parts, we're going to name it location and teleport. So right here, you can see the two objects. We're just going to move them away from the platform so you can see it better. Now we're going to set some properties for teleport. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to make it transparent. We're changing it from 0 to 0.5. Then next, we're going to select both of them, and then go over to anchor and click on it. So the checkbox has been selected. And then just above it, you're going to scroll over to where you have collision, and then we'll uncheck the box. Now the next thing we're going to do is to select the teleport part. As you can see, it's selected here as well as here. Then we're going to change the color. Here you can see the color, and we're going to click on the box and change it to another color. Click on OK, and this helps us to differentiate where the location is and the teleport location. You can see it all through here. Then we're going to go over to the teleport folder right here and click on the plus icon. We're going to select script or you can search for it. And right here, we will be putting a code which you can use for this process. You can go ahead and pause the video so you can copy this code and put it in yours. So after all of this is done, you can go ahead and click on play. So now we're going to move the character over to the brown box and see what happens. And we're going to try it once again. So we can see we now have our teleporter set. If this video was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.